Stories are becoming more complex. They now have multiple shots put together to some music, and they look more like reels. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a reel-like story. You're probably not going to like hearing this, but to make a reel-like story, you're going to have to make a reel. The best way to do it is just to create it in Instagram Reels and then post it, save it, and then post it to your stories. So just go into start a new reel and then add the clips from the day that you want to add. I'm going to add some clips from wrestling, see what videos I have here. There's one. There, so I have a couple clips from wrestling and I put them together into Instagram Reels. I'm not going to do this whole thing here. I'm going to skip that and I'm just going to edit the videos so that they're shorter clips, because for these stories, it's no point in making it a longer clip because then you could just add it as a long story. The whole point of this is to have short clips that you can put together. So I'm just going to make sure all these are nice short clips. Basically, I make them the length I want to make them, and then I will go in and adjust which section of the video will show, because just this probably not the most interesting. And then I can use this slip button to adjust which part of the clip I want to show. So probably from when he jumps. Yeah, there you go. So you can use as many clips for this as you want. I just used 3 clips from wrestling, so he's calling him on and then he misses. Or you can even like reorder the clips if you want to make them different order. So as long as nothing's selected, just scroll over to the end to reorder. Say if we did okay, sure. You can play around with this and create it however you want. Once you have the clips together, you could add an effect to the whole video if you want to make it look kind of cool. So there's aesthetic effects, so just make the camera look a little bit different. It's an old one, 2022 recap. Special filters, if you want to add one of those. If you don't want to use it, just click on no effect and it'll go away. And then once you have your thing ready, you scroll all the way to the end to save. You can save the video. And now we're going to go to next. You can save as draft, but you don't necessarily have to do this. You can just exit out of it. Now you're going to go into your profile, or just hit the plus next to your profile. And then you can upload that video as a story. And you can even add music to if you'd like. This is ridiculous, but you understand what I'm talking about, so you can make one of these for yourselves. If you have a real question, please leave it in the comments, because I use the comments to come up with my video ideas for upcoming YouTube videos. Until next time, peace!